Kung merong langaw, ibig sabihin, may mabaho, may marumi, ganyan-ganyan ka.
Dati po, masyado po silang wild kasi kung saan lang sila pumupuntang tumae. Nagpupunta po sila sa nyugan. Delikado po doon. Mahirap. Kasi minsan ating gabi na dodumi kami. Kakatok pa kami sa kapitbahay para lang po makisiyar. Nakakaya din po.
Pumunta po kami sa bukid. Doon po kami tumae. Tinabunan po namin ng lupa. Tapos po nung may taot, may ahas po, takbo po kami.
For Lola, Nanay Cristina and Christian, remembering how things were in Barangay Matalang-Talang brings many memories, sometimes funny, sometimes sad. In this remote coastal village in the town of Aroroy in the province of Masbate, life was literally full of, well, sorry for the word, shit.
Noong una, bago ang ZOD, maglakad-lakad ka dyan sa beach sa umaga, 50% o 60% sigurado makakaapak ka ng tae dyan. Kahit sa mga, sa mga kalsada. Nang dumating ang ZOD, yun, guminhawang paghinga ng mga tao. Wala na yung masamang amoy. Ngayon, sana maubos itong 41 barangays.
Mayor Kapinig refers to the Zero Open Defecation or ZOD program of abandoning the age-old practice of dumping human shit just about anywhere. ZOD is the goal of an approach called Community-Led Total Sanitation or CLTS. It is an approach that brings residents of a community face-to-face with their own waste. And it is the job of sanitary inspectors like Sherman Valera to make this meeting an unforgettable encounter.
Yung maglalakad ka ng 2 oras papuntang isang sitio para ibigay mo tong information, ulan, init, putik, lahat dinaanan po namin yan para i-deliver lang to. So yun isa yung pinakamagandang achievement at pinakamagandang experience sa buhay ko, yung may bagay mo yung tunay na pagbabago sa community natin. Yung nang hindi na sila magdudumi kung saan-saan, which is magkakakos ng sakit. At the same time, maangat natin yung dignidad ng bawat isang tao na hindi masanay magdumi kung saan-saan.
Achieving zero open defecation indeed is not just about getting rid of human shit. It is really about having the dignity of being able to live healthier and more productive lives. It takes a persuasive leader like Barangay Captain Alan Toledo to make this happen.
Sabi niya, paano gawin yan? Na wala naman kayong dalang bowl at saka simento, saka steel bar. Sabi ko, gagawa tayo ng CR na kahoy lang, wala tayong gastos. Sabi niya, mahirap yan gawin. Sabi ko, hindi. Tulungan natin para magkaroon tayo ng sariling CR. Ang ginawa namin, nagputol kami ng kahoy. Minsan ako pa nga ang nagagay, nagbutas. Tapos nang nabutas na namin, sabi ng mga tao, ito pala yung CR, galon lang, nagkaroon na pala tayong CR.
From helping his co-residents build temporary toilets or shift to more sanitary ones, Kapitan Alan has been part of the process every step of the way.
Dati, yung nagdodumi dito lang sa paligid. Tapos yung ginawa ng may-ari, nagpatulong sa amin kung paano magkaroon sila ng temporary na CR. Yung ginawa namin, nagputol kami ng galon, tapos 5 kilos na semento, ito yung ginawa namin. Tapos mayroon po itong elbow sa ilalim para pagbuhos ng tubig, hindi sisingaw yung dumi sa labas. Walang amoy. Yung bago nila, nandito na, yung bago na standard na po. Mayroon tubig. Saka maganda po yung resulta.
Getting involved with domestic woes such as lack of sanitary toilets is not spelled out clearly in the job descriptions of local leaders. But Kapitan Alan and his team took this role seriously.
Nasubukan ko, nakahukay po ako ng dumi ng tao kasi ginamit na nila. Pero pinalitan ko talaga ng bowl na green yung galing po sa UNICEF.
UNICEF has been working with the Department of Health and local governments like the municipality of Aroroy and the province of Masbate to help people change their behavior regarding sanitation. This is not an easy process, but the results are nothing but spectacular.
Ito po yung toilet namin. Dito na po kami dumudumi. Tapos, yung mga anak ko po, pinapaupo po sila dito. Pagkatapos, hugasan, sasabunan. Buhusan po ng maayos yung bowl para walang maiwang dumi. Dito na rin po kami naliligo.
And the story of Matalangtalang is now becoming the story of every barangay in the town of Aroroy. It is a story of how a local leader has successfully convinced mothers and fathers to build their own toilets, and in so doing has helped drive pesky flies away from the community.
Na-COD na kami, siyempre malaking bagay po yan kasi nabawasan yung mga langaw, yung dumi na nagkakalat-kalat sa paligid ng barangay. So masaya kami